Forget everything you thought you knew about the DJI Osmo Pocket series, because a single leaked image just changed the entire game. This isn't a blurry render. This isn't a rumor. The actual retail box for the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 has been spotted in the wild. And when the packaging looks this finished, it means one thing. The launch isn't soon, it's practically here. But before you get excited about massive sensor upgrades, here's the twist. DJI is taking a gamble this time. They're not chasing megapixels. They're chasing something far more important for real creators. The leak comes from Igor Bogdanov, a source known for posting real warehouse leaks, not clout. The box clearly shows creator combo branding, which tells us pricing tiers, accessories, and the product lineup are already locked in. And here's the surprise. The camera on the box looks almost identical to the Osmo Pocket 3. If you were expecting a huge new sensor, that might sound disappointing, but it actually explains DJI's strategy. The Pocket 3 wasn't failing because of image quality. It was failing because of endurance. And that's where the Pocket 4 changes everything. Leaks point to a nearly 20% larger battery, jumping from about 1,300 mAh to roughly 1,545 mAh. That may not sound dramatic, but for vloggers, it's the difference between your camera dying mid-shot, or actually capturing the moment. To fit the bigger battery, the body is slightly longer, and that's a good thing. More internal space means better heat management. No more overheating warnings during long 4K recordings. This camera is built to stay cool and keep rolling. And then there are the controls. DJI is bringing physical buttons back. 2 new buttons appear on the front, one likely acting as a zoom or shortcut toggle, and another fully customizable button. If you've ever tried using a tiny touchscreen while walking through a crowded street, you already know how big this is. This isn't about flashy specs. It's about removing friction, one-handed operation, muscle memory, a camera that feels like a tool, not a toy. Now let's address the mystery everyone's talking about. Earlier leaks showed a dual camera setup, but it's not on this box. Some think those leaks were fake. I don't. I think they were a teaser. By refining the Pocket 4 instead of reinventing it, DJI has left room for something bigger. My guess? A Pocket 4 Pro. DJI loves tiered lineups. The Pocket 4 becomes the reliable workhorse, longer battery life, better thermals, smarter controls. Then later, they drop a Pro model with dual cameras and higher-end features. This isn't a lazy update. It's a strategic one. DJI fixed the battery. They fixed the heat. They fixed the controls. And if you want a camera that works every single time you press record, this might be the best Pocket yet. If you enjoyed this leak breakdown, hit subscribe, and I'll keep you updated the moment DJI makes it official.